Hello everyone, it's me Dr. Zainab and I hope you are enjoying your day. Today I am here with our new topic, that is the intercostal space. It is basically the space between two ribs and their costal cartilages. Okay, as you already know that we have 12 ribs, so the intercostal spaces are 11 in number. Okay, and we count the intercostal space above to that rib. Okay, so we have 12 ribs and 11 intercostal spaces. Now, what are the contents of the intercostal space, or what does that intercostal space consist of? Okay, so intercostal space consists of intercostal muscles. It contains intercostal vessels and intercostal nerves and intercostal lymphatics. So as you can see here that we have two ribs, and between that we have these intercostal muscles. The outermost layer is formed by external intercostal muscle, and these muscles runs forward and downward. Okay, as you can see here, the direction of external intercostal muscle, it comes downward and forward. And next to that we have the internal costal muscles. Okay, internal intercostal muscles, these runs downward and backward. Okay, these are coming downward and backward, while the external intercostal muscles, they runs forward and downward. Okay, so we have external intercostal muscle, internal intercostal muscle. Now you can see here that between this internal intercostal muscle and the innermost intercostal muscle with pink color, in between these two layers there lies a neurovascular bundle. Okay, in between the innermost intercostal muscle and the internal intercostal muscle, there lies a very important structures, that is the neurovascular bundle. Okay, now this neurovascular bundle, it contains intercostal vein, intercostal artery, intercostal nerve and the intercostal lymphatic. Okay, from above downwards you can see here that there it is intercostal vein, intercostal artery, intercostal intercostal nerve, and the intercostal lymphatic. So this is the arrangement of neurovascular bundle in a rib. If we talk about the blood supply of this intercostal space, so this intercostal space, as I told you that these are 11 in number. Okay, so anteriorly if we talk about these internal spaces, as the anterior and posterior intercostal spaces along with ribs, they form a rib cage. Okay, so anteriorly if we talk about up to 6 intercostal space, it is supplied by internal thoracic artery. Okay, up to 6 intercostal space anteriorly, it is supplied by the internal thoracic artery, and below to 6 intercostal space, it is supplied by the phrenic artery. And as you know that this phrenic artery supplies the diaphragm also. Okay, so below 6 intercostal space, it is supplied by the phrenic artery. If we talk about posteriorly, then the posterior nerve supply, posterior arterial supply is different from the anterior arterial supply. Posteriorly, it is the first two intercostal spaces, they are supplied by the superior intercostal artery, while from 3rd to 9th intercostal space, it is supplied by thoracic aorta. Okay, as you know that the aorta first comes ascending aorta, arch of aorta, descending aorta and the thoracic aorta. So the 3rd to 9th intercostal space, posteriorly it is supplied by the thoracic aorta. I hope the internal costal space you got it now. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you so much.